Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a rule for mail forwarding in Outlook. This is a powerful feature that lets you automatically forward specific emails to other people based on conditions you set, which can be incredibly useful for managing workflows or ensuring important messages reach the right team members. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're logged in and your inbox appears, you're ready to begin setting up your forwarding rule. Now navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open it. This is where you'll find the settings and management options for your Outlook account. Once the File menu opens, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Manage Rules and Alerts. Click on it to proceed with creating your forwarding rule. This will open the Rules and Alerts window, which is the control center for all your automated email actions. From here, click on the New Rule option to begin setting up your custom rule. A Rule Wizard window will appear, presenting you with several template options to choose from. To create a rule for mail forwarding, you'll want to start from scratch. Under the Start from a Blank Rule section, click on Apply Rule on Messages I Receive. This gives you full control over the conditions and actions of your rule. After selecting this option, click Next to move forward. Now you'll be presented with a list of conditions that determine when the rule should activate. For this tutorial, we'll use with specific words in subject, but you can choose any condition that fits your needs. Once you've selected your condition, look at the bottom part of the Rule Wizard window. You'll notice a blue underlined link where you can set the specific word. Click on this link to define what keywords will trigger the forwarding action. A field will appear where you can add the specific word or phrase. Type in your keyword, then click Add. Keep in mind that you can add multiple words to expand the condition, giving you more flexibility in what gets forwarded. Once you've added all your keywords, click OK, and then click Next to proceed to the action step. Now it's time to set the action, which is the forwarding part. From the list of actions displayed, you can choose between forwarding the email directly or forwarding it as an attachment, depending on your preference. Click the checkbox next to your chosen forwarding option. You'll see another blue highlighted link in step 2 where you need to specify who will receive the forwarded emails. Click on this link to open the rule address window. In the rule address window, you'll see a list of your contacts. Browse through and select the contact or group you wish to forward these emails to. Once you've found the right recipient, double-click on their name to add them to the forwarding rule. After you've added the receiver, click OK to confirm your selection. With everything configured, click Finish to activate your rule. From this point forward, every email that contains the specific word you've set in the subject line will automatically be forwarded to the email address you selected. This automation saves you time and ensures important messages never get missed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automatic mail forwarding rule in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.